review, I guess, on this product, and it's JB Weld Super Weld Professional Grade Super Glue. Right? It don't say super glue, but yeah, well, but it's what it is. You know, what's the difference between this and the other ones, you might say? I didn't think anything either. I always bought any super glue, to be honest. The original, the guy with the hat stuck to the high beam, I'd buy whatever I wanted, whatever was there. And it worked great. I bought Gorilla Glue. That works good for everything. Never had a problem. I like it. But I'll give you an example where this outshined and got the gold medal, where the other ones, no, not even close. On the 2015 Rogue, you'll see, I got a video, you'll see it in there, but I'll call it the resonator. It sits above your spark plugs and your coils. The intake snorkel connects to it. The PCV valve connects to it. It's like a triangular hollow tube. So on that, how that sits in there is 2 rubber grommets, 2 plastic legs, and you just shove the plastic legs down into the rubber grommet. Shortly after we bought the Rogue, one of the plastic legs on that resonator was broken. So I'm assuming, you know, that they took it off to do some maintenance and either didn't notice it or they did and figured, who cares? So one day I heard the rattling, seen what it was, and I put some crazy glue on there. It didn't work. Put some more crazy glue. It didn't work for a few days, maybe not even a week. I put epoxy. Same thing, just didn't seem to hold at all. And I thought epoxy, it was good epoxy. I thought, you know, that would surely do it. It didn't. I bought some Gorilla Glue. I put Gorilla Glue on there, like super glue. And that was pretty good. It held there until you needed to take it off to do some work. And that's when it would break. So I said, well, I'm just going to try something else. So I seen this JB Weld, like I said. Why not try something different? And I put this on, and no problems. End of story. I mean, I've taken that on and off for probably 5 times, no problems. So obviously there is a difference. Same application, same preparation, everything. Same amount, you know. If you're looking for you're going out to buy some super glue, pick this up, and hopefully your experiences will be the same as mine. I'm very happy with it. I like the Gorilla Glue. It worked for everything else. I liked it. I did have a problem with drying up over time, which this hasn't, so that's another bonus. But the Gorilla Glue didn't hold up in that particular example where this shines. Anyway, guys, thanks again.